Hello and welcome to Trend Interceptor. In this video you will see how to add the trend risk indicators and how to use other functionalities related to the trend risk system, such as trend risk scanner and the automated forecaster called Trend Risk Expert Advisor. You can access the trend risk indicators by clicking on Indicators menu in the main menu bar, and under Trend Risk submenu you will find all the trend risk indicators available to place on the chart. You can insert, for example, the trend risk bands. Then go back to the same trend risk submenu and select trend risk stop bands. The trend risk bands are dynamical support and resistance bands, which are called tip up and tip down, meaning trend inversion points up and down. And the trend risk stop bands give you recommended stop levels according to the trend risk system. You have also access to a very special indicator, part of the trend risk system. Go again to the trend risk submenu and load trend risk trend. Trend risk trend is an exceptional part of the trend risk system because it is capable of catching trends. It actually indicates the beginning of a possible trend, as well as indicating consecutive target levels according to the trend risk system. It could be a very powerful trend following tool. If you decide to disable it from the chart, you could easily right-click on any of its targets and choose Delete Trend Risk Trend. Or you may want to keep its recommended levels but disable the coloring of the bars so that you return to the normal candlestick colors. So this way, for this case, you need to disable the checkbox color bars. So you will keep the recommended target levels of the trend risk trend, as well as the coloring, the normal coloring of the candlesticks. You have access through the quotes and analytics window to another part of the trend risk system. This is the Trend Risk Expert Advisor under Trend Risk tab over here. It gives time frame specific advices. Its forecasts are changed according to the time frames. So if we change the daily time frame to 1 hour and return to the forecaster, you will see that it also changed its time scale as well as its readings. You can access through the quotes and analytics window to the other part of the trend risk system called Trend Risk Scanner. Here you may select your trading signals according to trend risk system among brokers and time frames. So this is the drop down menu of broker feeds that you may choose and the available time frames. A useful tip here is to sort your risk reward column data by descending order. So in this case you will get the highest reward to risk ratio for potential trades at the upper part of this table, and anyway you will get for all these trades recommended stop levels and target levels, as well as of course the direction of the trades. You should remember that you need to manually refresh the data, and more frequently according to the time scale you use, if it is smaller time scale, for example. That's it. Thank you for watching.